Timber quality information. Timber quality norms are established standards for the grading and classification of timber, which is a term commonly used to refer to wood that has been cut and processed for use in construction, furniture making, and other applications. The specific norms that apply to timber quality can vary depending on the country or region where the timber is being produced or used, as well as the intended use of the wood. However, there are some general principles that are commonly used to assess the quality of timber. One important factor in timber quality is the species of tree from which the wood was harvested. Different tree species have different characteristics that can affect the strength, durability, and other properties of the wood. For example, some species are more resistant to rot or insect damage than others. Another important factor is the age of the tree and the part of the tree from which the wood was harvested. Wood from older trees tends to be denser and stronger than wood from younger trees. Wood from the heartwood, the innermost part of the tree, is often stronger and more durable than wood from the sapwood, the outermost part of the tree. In addition to these natural factors, there are also grading standards that are used to assess the quality of processed timber. These standards typically take into account factors such as the size, shape, and surface characteristics of the wood, as well as any knots, cracks, or other defects that may be present. Overall, the specific norms and standards that apply to timber quality can vary widely depending on the context. However, in general, factors such as species, age, and processing quality are all important considerations when assessing the quality of timber.